a little fun for the grandkids. And my wife sent me out to buy 2 dozens of eggs. So you know what I did? Went to an ostrich farm. There's 2 dozen eggs inside of this nearly 4-pound shell. You know, this is the largest and hardest egg in the world. Hey kids, watch a new way to make a scrambled egg. The top of this egg was already scored, so it made it easy to put a hole in it. And then I used a chopstick to stir it up, creating a scrambled egg as I pour it out. Now, I wouldn't want to do this often. You can come and have breakfast with me, but here we go. I'm going to keep this. The reason I didn't want to break it is I want to paint it. Hey, I'm here with my grandson, William. He started working with me when he was 3 years old on cooking videos. So today he's visiting, and we are going to finally make our ostrich egg that was frozen. Go ahead, William, show them how you do it.
It's going to be fun. Fun fact, this has 2 dozen worth of chicken eggs inside it. Really cool, huh? Okay, so the first thing we do is we're going to pour the eggs in. Make sure they have, they're spread out and not in just one place.
There it is, the ostrich egg cooking.
Then you're gonna tip the pan and do the same thing around. Just let it get in there. It's gonna be nice and yummy. We're gonna put the lid on it and turn it on low, and then we're just gonna leave that for a minute. This is Papa's beautiful piece of art, an ostrich egg. This is what came out of the inside. You can see he poked a hole right here. A lovely ostrich egg that we made.
Here is the finished product.
The egg.
Still a little sticky, kept a little flour on. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay, make it into a ball. Make it a ball.
No, I don't want to. I want to make it into an oven.
Okay. But you gotta make it into a ball because we're not ready yet. Okay, here, help Papa. Form it. Good, form it into a ball. Okay, don't pinch it. Looks like it has ears. Look at that. Look at that.
Make it into 2.